Welcome to Beautyistic, where today we're diving into a fantastic product that's perfect for anyone looking to elevate their hair game. Today we're reviewing the best-in-class layered chin-length Boycut Wig by Hairuwear in the stunning GF8-12SS Iced Mocha color. This wig promises an easy, no-fuss way to have gorgeous, natural-looking hair in an instant. Let's see if it really lives up to the hype. This wig is made with true-life heat-friendly synthetic hair, which is a key feature that caught my eye. What does that mean for you? It's versatile. You can curl, flat iron, or blow dry this wig without worrying about damage. That's a huge win for anyone looking for something that's both easy to style and easy to maintain. It also weighs just 1 ounce, making it incredibly lightweight and comfortable to wear all day long. The GF8-12SS Iced Mocha shade is a gorgeous, neutral brown with subtle tones of caramel and blonde that mimic natural highlights. It's a versatile shade that complements a wide range of skin tones. Now let's talk about how this wig performs when put to the test. I've had the chance to wear this beauty for several days, and I've got to say, it's comfortable. The comfort cap design truly does make a difference. The cap features increased lightness and airflow, which helps keep things cool on your head, even if you're wearing it for extended periods. Plus, the hand-tied top provides a natural look and feel, which makes it so much more comfortable compared to wigs with a stiffer construction. The velvet-lined ear tabs and nape also add a soft touch, which is a nice detail for anyone who has ever dealt with the discomfort of wig bands or tabs digging into the skin. What really stands out, though, is the texture. The wig's layers create a soft, wavy look that falls just around chin length, and the deconstructed waves give it that naturally wavy vibe. It moves beautifully and looks like real, effortlessly tousled hair without the frizz. It was really easy to incorporate into my daily routine, and honestly, I could wear it to work, out with friends, or even to a special event. Styling is super simple too. A quick pass with a flat iron or a few waves with a curling iron, and you've got a stunning, on-trend look in no time. Let's go over the pros and cons of this wig. On the plus side, the true-to-life synthetic hair means that the wig is low maintenance. It holds up to heat styling, so if you want to change up the look a bit, you can easily do so. The comfort cap is another major win. It's breathable, lightweight, and overall very comfortable. The color is gorgeous, and the layered texture is soft yet voluminous. The wig has great movement, so it doesn't look stiff or too wiggy. And of course, the convenience factor of simply putting it on and having perfect hair in seconds is a huge bonus. On the flip side, there are a couple of things to consider. The cap size is listed as average, so if you have a larger head or thicker hair, you might find it a bit snug. Also, while the design is lightweight, if you're someone who prefers more volume or density in a wig, you might feel like this one is on the thinner side. Lastly, although the synthetic hair is heat-friendly, it still has limitations compared to real hair. You'll want to avoid using high heat for extended periods to maintain the integrity of the fibers. As for the price, this wig falls into the mid-range category. Considering the high-quality design and versatility, I do think it's worth the investment, especially if you're looking for something that's both realistic and easy to manage. While there are cheaper wigs out there, they typically don't offer the same heat-friendly options or quality craftsmanship. Comparing it to other wigs in the same category, I've found that many synthetic wigs either lack versatility or comfort. This one nails both. And with the added bonus of a customizable fit and natural-looking waves, it stands out. If you're someone who frequently switches up your look or wants a wig that doesn't feel too heavy or awkward, this one could be a great fit. When it comes to the longevity of the product, the heat-friendly synthetic fibers should hold up for quite some time with proper care. Be sure to wash it gently, store it properly, and avoid using excessive heat, and this wig will continue to perform beautifully. If you're worried about customer support or have any concerns, Hairuwear is known for offering solid customer service. They have a reputation for responsiveness, so if anything goes wrong with your wig, you'll likely get prompt help. Now, if you're in the market for a wig but want something more budget-friendly, there are other synthetic wigs that perform similarly, though they may not offer the same heat styling flexibility. Brands like Raquel Welch and John Renow have wigs in a similar price range that also boast natural textures and good durability. So, does this wig live up to its claims? Absolutely. The best-in-class layered chin-length boycut wig offers a beautiful, realistic look that's easy to maintain and versatile enough for any occasion. Whether you're new to wigs or a seasoned pro, I think you'll appreciate the comfort, styling options, and natural feel it offers. If this review was helpful to you, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to drop a comment below if you've tried this wig or have any thoughts to share. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.